Boosting work efficiency with ChatGPT and Generative AI for working professionals automation story. Before we begin, if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now so you never miss future updates. And if you truly want to learn this complete course, go to the discussion section of this video. An enrollment link is provided there. Click the link and enroll today. Thank you. Now, let's start the video. Clapperboard. The automation era has begun. Every working professional faces the same challenge: too much work, too little time. Emails, reports, presentations, planning, marketing content, data analysis, day after day, the same repetitive tasks drain energy and creativity. This is where automation powered by generative AI changes everything. Automation is no longer only for developers or engineers. Today, non-developers, office workers, marketers, managers, and entrepreneurs can all automate their work using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini without writing a single line of code. From manual work to smart work, imagine starting your day with AI as your personal assistant, drafting professional emails in seconds, creating business plans, reports, and proposals, automatically designing PPT slides, images, and documents with clear structure, automating marketing content, blogs, and social media posts, generating ideas, strategies, and summaries instantly. What once took hours now takes minutes. This is not about replacing humans, this is about freeing humans from repetitive work so they can focus on thinking, decision-making, and growth. Learning automation step by step. This course is designed especially for working professionals and beginners. You don't need a technical background. You only need curiosity and the desire to grow. You will learn how generative AI works in simple language, how to write effective prompts for real office tasks, how to use AI for planning, documentation, presentations, and automation, how to combine multiple AI tools into powerful workflows, how to save time, reduce cost, and increase output quality. Each lesson focuses on real-world applications, not theory. Automation that actually helps your career. Automation with AI gives you time freedom, less routine work, higher productivity, more output, better quality, creative power. AI supports your thinking, career advantage, stay ahead of colleagues, future readiness. AI literacy is survival skill. Professionals who use AI effectively don't work harder, they work smarter. While learners love this course, learners say this course makes complex AI concepts simple, provides industry-specific prompts, is updated every month with latest AI trends, helps automate tasks immediately at work, builds confidence to use AI without fear. That's why it maintains a 4.7 rating with 48 genuine reviews and hundreds of active learners. Final message: AI is no longer optional. Automation is the new skill set for survival and growth. If you want to stop wasting time on repetitive tasks, use AI confidently in your daily work, upgrade your productivity and mindset. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the discussion section for the enrollment link to this complete course. Thank you for watching. Now let's boost your work efficiency with automation and generative AI. Rocket.
Thank you very much for watching this video.